Hello and good morning. This is Corey from New Jersey. Just wanted to say thank you to Brent Daniels and the Wholesaling Inc. uh, for the TTP course. I became a member about 3 months ago, and I started implementing the strategies. And by implementing the strategies, I was able to overcome my fears of cold calling. Cold calling was definitely new to my wholesaling business. I was not using that prior. However, I was able to land my first deal about a month ago with the cold calling strategy, and I was able to land my first check with the cold calling strategy for approximately $13,000. So for anyone that's looking to get into wholesaling, or anyone who's new to wholesaling and you're considering getting involved with Wholesaling Inc. or Brent Daniels and the TTP program, I would definitely recommend it. It works for me. And again, with cold calling, I was able to land my first deal, and I have 3 more deals in the pipeline. So again, I want to say thank you to Wholesaling Inc. and Brent Daniels with the TTP program, and I wish everyone success. Thank you.